If you've ever custom designed a product online using a 3D product configurator and wondered to yourself, how can I get one of these for one of my building products? But first you want to find out exactly what a 3D product configurator is, you're going to want to stick around for the rest of this video. My name is Omar from Object, and after 15 years in the building materials industry, I figured out a way to help building material suppliers just like you stand out from the competition through the power of 3D technologies. In this video, you're going to learn exactly what a 3D product configurator is. Now, before I start, if any part of this video resonates with you or you're interested in it or like it, please like and share it. Sharing is caring. Now, 3D product configurator, what is it? The first thing that it is a shift in how we do things. For the last 25 years online, everything has been flat and 2D. So it's 2D pictures, 2D videos, 2D graphics, everything's in 2D. But it's kind of hard to understand things in 2D. Over the last couple of years, there's been a new tech revolution allowing us to run real-time 3D programs on the websites. And this has opened up the world of possibilities with 3D product configurators. It basically allows you to show a high-resolution 3D image that's interactive. That means they'll be able to zoom in, zoom out, click it, explore it, rotate it, and find out all about your product in a very engaging way, ways that they could never do so before. Now, the second thing that 3D product configurator is a configurator. Self-explanatory, but your building material most likely comes in a standard configuration, but with endless varieties and possibilities, especially when you take into consideration things like sizes, which means your widths, your heights, lengths, your layouts, talking about your colors, other options, right? Can be making it bulkier, improving the performance, or just upgrades. So that means that your standard product configuration can end up being somewhere on the order of like 1 million different products. That means 1 million different products for your customers to have to choose from and to have to imagine what it is that they're getting. Don't make them imagine, allow them to design something themselves and see exactly how it is that they'll be getting it. So this sets up the configuration in 3D that allows them to interact and explore what it is that they are actually designing and making, and ultimately what you will sell them. So the last thing that a 3D product configurator is a new way to sell online, right? It starts with a pricing model. So you're gonna go into the back end of a 3D product configurator and you're gonna set up your pricing model based off a few things. Obviously, you're gonna take into consideration your materials and how much that costs, but you could also take into consideration things like the tooling, the setup, and labor. With this, you can build out a pricing model that gives you the information that you need to understand how much any custom design is going to cost you to make. With that, you'll know how to price it and how to sell it online. What's the right price for you to actually make a buck or two? And this is opening up a new way of selling it online that we just could not do in the building materials up until very, very recently. So to recap, whether it is a shift from 2D to 3D or a way to configure your building products exactly how it is that your customers want it, or allowing you to sell your building products online for the first time pretty much ever, a 3D product configurator is the right choice for the building materials industry right now. This is the sweet spot. Don't go to virtual reality just yet. Start off with these 3D technologies that are tangible and are possible and are deployable like instantly. Now, if you are in the building materials industry and you want to find out how you could join our pilot program where we will design and create a 3D product configurator for one of your building materials, please drop a comment in the comment section below with the words 3D me. You don't have to say it like that, but it's 3D me. And we'll make sure to contact you. That's all I have for today. Again, my name is Omar. Until next time, see you later.